The cabin air filter in the 2018-2023 Chevy Traverse is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. To access it, first open the glove box. Next, depress the release tabs or remove any screws to lower the glove box completely. You will then see a plastic housing. Open the housing. Slide the old filter downward to remove it. Be mindful of the filter's orientation as you remove it. This will help when installing the new one. Properly dispose of the old filter. Take your new cabin air filter, noting the airflow direction arrows printed on its side. Insert the new filter into the housing, ensuring the arrows point in the correct direction, usually downwards. Reseal the filter housing, ensuring it's securely closed. Finally, reassemble the glove box by pushing it back into place and securing any release tabs or screws. Replacing the filter this way will help reduce allergens, improve airflow, and keep your HVAC system running efficiently.